Hi, in this short tutorial I'd like to show you how to use mlb-thing. If you're watching this, you probably know what I'm talking about, so I won't explain what this thing does. So the first step, you need to install Node.js, so you're just typing Node.js in your search engine. You select the first result and you're clicking whatever you see here. It doesn't matter which version. The only requirement is that it has to be higher than 10. So you can just download these versions and install them like you'd install any other software. And then you need to download the project, so you need to clone it. You can download zip if you want. So you just need to download the zip file. Let's save it somewhere. Let's unzip it. Now let's open it in Finder. If you're on Windows, the whole procedure looks exactly the same, so it doesn't matter. And when I have project files downloaded, so I can just open my terminal. You can open it like this, terminal. And you need to change your directory to desktop. That's where I have my files. And I need to cd to this folder. And now I need to type npm install to install all required stuff. It will take a while because it needs to download whole Chrome version. Whole Chrome browser, I'm sorry. I'm too lazy to crop this video, so you can just skip this part. Okay, so now Chromium is downloaded. There are some warnings, you don't care about them, you just clear. And now you need to type npm start. That's how you start this small program. And it prompts you to enter URL of the match. So you just need to get some URL of the match on mlb.com. Here is example 1. I entered it. Now I'm just gonna now I will just click enter like that, and it will parse the website. It will extract some data, and it will display everything nicely. Display some data that you baseball junkies love, and also you can see that CSV file have been generated. It's in the outputs folder, I think. Yeah, cd outputs. They are here. If I open Finder here, you can see outputs folder, and I have my CSV files here with players that took part in this match. So that's it. Sorry for my English. I hope you like this small program. Thank you.